Hola, Pinoy Pajakero here. Dito tayo sa pick and pull. This time kukunin natin upuan ng Rio. Hanapin natin kung meron tayong makita na upuan para maikabit natin at matanggal na yung check airbag light na yan. Nakakabwisit. Tayo sa mundo ng Kia. Ayun, may nakita na akong donor car. Yeah. Yan, may donor car na tayo. Ito yung seat, tinanggal ko. Tapos tanggalin ko lang to, yung occupancy sensor, yung mga wire harness. Yan, tingin ko okay na yan. Yan, cushion lang kailangan. Natin kung ano meron dito. Oops, wala na. Class ko na lang itong occupancy sensor mat. Ito. So I won't bring this. I'll just be buying this assembly. Alright. All we gotta do is remove the seat assembly, take out the harness, and then replace the occupancy sensor mat that is underneath this. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. It's gonna be installed like that. I can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna remove the battery from the engine. Alright, like one terminal. I'm in the process of removing the seat, removing the bolts. Okay, I'm removing the harness from underneath the seat. I have removed this, and I'm gonna remove this. Hold on. Okay, I removed the harness. So what we're going to do is remove this occupancy sensor. Chine-check na natin kung tama yung pagkakakabit natin. Ayan. Initial. Nawala na yung airbag light. Okay. Now, let's see sa ating scan tool kung ano nangyari. Teka sandali. Tayo dito sa okay, so no powertrain. Check natin ang oops, no. Oh, it's okay. Okay, no powertrain failure. Okay, punta tayo sa supplemental restraint system o yung airbag. Okay, is this your vehicle? Select and press. Yes, this is Rio. 06 Rio. Okay, SRS, babap. Okay, press fault. Okay, i-clear natin to kasi because we have already history na lang siya, hindi siya active fault. So let's erase it. Okay, arrest successful. Let's see if there's an error again. Okay, so cleared na siya. So effective. Ito talaga ang sira. Ito. Not that, but this. Okay, ito yung occupancy sensor. Alright, so success.